Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Joomla with Shopify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Joomla with Shopify, start by logging into your Joomla administrator dashboard. Navigate to the extensions menu. Select manage and then install. In the install section, click on the install from web tab. Search for a Shopify integration extension suitable for Joomla. Once you find an appropriate extension, click Install. After installation, go to the Components menu. Select the newly installed Shopify extension from the list. You'll need to configure the extension. Find your Shopify store URL and API key from your Shopify admin panel. In Shopify, go to Apps and click Manage Private Apps. Create a new private app and generate the API credentials. Copy the API key and password back to your Joomla Shopify extension settings. Next, ensure that you fill in any required Shopify store details. Save the configuration settings once all details are entered. Check for any additional options in the extension for customizing the connection. After saving, visit your Joomla site to see if the integration works. You should see Shopify products or features displayed on your Joomla site. If issues arise, consult the extension's documentation for troubleshooting tips. Test out different functionalities to ensure seamless integration. Make any necessary adjustments within both platforms to enhance compatibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.